What is up, my YouTube nerds? It's your coding bro Mondo Man Codes here, bringing you another video in our Intro to C++ series. In this video, I'll be doing a brief introduction to what pointers are. Let's begin by opening up Visual Studio. And then create a new project. Select Console App if it's in your templates. If it's not, just click it here. Hit Next. And just for simplicity, I'm just going to name the project name Pointers. Hit Create. Then we just wait for all the files to be created properly. Okay, let me zoom in here so all of you guys can see what's going on. That's good. Yeah. Get rid of this. And like always, using namespace standard to get rid of the whole std cout. Okay, so pointers are pretty much just addresses to variables. So pointers is a variable itself, right, that holds the address of another variable. More like, let's say pointers are just like the address to a house. It's not the house itself, but it's pointing to like where the house is located. Commonly used in data structures, or not manipulate the actual variable itself. Right? Pretty straightforward. So we have to create a variable first, right? So let's just name it int var for short. Let's give it like 123. And then we have to declare our pointer. It's just, int. Don't forget that asterisk. And then just, your pointer. For me, I'll just do int ptr var, just so I know that, hey, this is going to be pointing to the variable. So we have to declare pointer variable. Second, we have to make sure that the pointer variable is the same data type as our variable. We have to note that data type of pointer and our variable is the same. If it's not, you'll get an error. And you see here's already an error. That's why you just have to do the and that clears up that error for you. Afterwards, we've properly set up the pointer to that variable there. I'm just going to do multiple couts here to address what's going on behind the, or inside the computer. So cout value of pointer var equals, and I'll just do pointer var right, slash n, just to be in the next line, value of var equals var and then value of asterisk pointer var equals asterisk pointer var. Okay, everything looks good. Doesn't seem like there's any errors. Save and then run it. And as you can see here, we have the value of pointer var, which is just the address, right? If you want to get the address of your pointer, you just do the name of that pointer. You'll get, an address looking like this. It's probably not going to be the same for you guys out there. It'll look roughly similar. And now the value of var is 123. And as you have seen, we made it 1, 2, 3. But now the value of the asterisk pointer var is 1, 2, 3. So what we pretty much said, like, okay, get the address of the pointer, but also get the value of it. That's why we have the asterisk there. And that will return what our variable, value is very end. Just a quick video there. As always, if you found this content enjoyable or informative, feel free to like and subscribe. Next time I'll probably go more in depth with what a pointer is and how to use it properly, and just try to potentially go into data structures now, since we briefly touched on like how to sort arrays or sort different types of variables or data types. As always, stay nerdy.